how to use arpeggiate effectively in your music. Arpeggiators are powerful tools for adding rhythm and complexity to your tracks. With Martinic's plugins, you can create intricate patterns and captivating melodies effortlessly. Join Martinic for free, the link is in the description, and unlock the creative potential of arpeggiators in your music. 1. Start by selecting a sound that works well with arpeggiation like a pluck, lead, or pad. Use a Martinic plugin for its rich, versatile tones. 2. Activate the arpeggiator and choose a pattern, such as up, down, or random. This determines the order in which the notes of your chord will play. 3. Adjust the rate or tempo of the arpeggiator to match your track. Slower rates create a flowing, ambient feel, while faster rates work for energetic, rhythmic sections. 4. Experiment with note lengths and gate settings. Shorter notes make the pattern feel staccato, while longer notes add smoothness. 5. Layer multiple arpeggiators with different sounds to create a complex, textured composition. For example, combine a bass arpeggio with a shimmering lead pattern. 6. Use automation to add variation. Gradually change the tempo, pattern, or filter settings to keep your track dynamic and interesting. 7. Add effects like reverb, delay, or chorus to enhance the arpeggiated sound. These effects can add depth and movement to your music. With these steps and Martinic's plugins, you'll be able to use arpeggiators effectively to bring your music to life.